And I think the game's about to begin. Are you ready? I think that's come this way. English floor. Ooh.
Welcome, survival. 5, 4, 3.
Now then.
2, 1. Gates locked. Phase. Welcome to Rival. You're here to fight in the biggest competition of your existence, the survival games. At Rival, we push human experimentation to the edge, using our biotech formula, science.
As you can see in here, you do normally have left and right open, and then they alternate it per group. So it looks like our group will be going to the right, and I think when there's only 2 of us, we're not going to get split up. But it is all about...
Getting ready.
It's all about experimentation. Oh, we're going. Okay, I'm already lost. There we go. Okay. Now, I won't lie. I've never understood that route. Someone enlighten me. We've leveled up. Oh. I'm not sure how I feel about this.
Feel the energy. Pulsating through your body.
I think we're going this way. Yeah, we're going this way. He has been fried beyond recognition. Oh yeah. He is walking into a wall, I think. Whoa. Now I get this. I'd like a gun, please, to shoot some of these people as we go through. Turn it into a bit of a zombie hunt sort of thing. Rule number 5, have no mercy. Okay. We're leveling up again. Whoa!
The flames singe your
Jesus
skin.
Christ. What do you think this is? Got a scatter maze.
It's not too late to join Rival.
She does not look well.
No pain without pleasure.
I have to say, I've got a weird feeling there's no one else in this maze. Oh!
You make good jerky, wouldn't you? This way for my drive-through.
I think we're going into the toilet. He's been experimented on. I think there's something wrong with him. We've leveled up. Okay, risk of death. Well, this is a bit dark. This is quite loud. Now then, this is where you go around in circles for quite a long time, and I feel like we've just gone in a circle. Have I gone in a circle? I don't really know. Okay, we're definitely somewhere else.
I want to feel your eyeballs pop. My guns.
We're definitely somewhere else. I'm not entirely sure where we are. I kind of recognise... Do I recognise this? We're going through. I found some cages. I think there's someone there. Yes, there is someone there. Okay, this looks new. she was is the actual exit. However, they do like you to sort of walk around a couple of times before you get to the exit. Okay, there's someone standing down here. Yeah. Whoa! Whoa! I don't know which way to go. No, I'm going this way. Oh, we survived. Well, it's alright, we're out. Are we out? I think we're out. He has a chainsaw. He can't get the chainsaw started. That is a common Thorpe Park problem. Oh, they can never get the chainsaw started, but he did get it started. Oh, fair play to him. There we go, he got it started. That is survival games. That's the second longest maze here. It's been years now, in fairness. I have mixed opinions of survival games, to be honest with you. It is quite a full-on maze. It's really in your face. I stick by what I said in our mini review we did of it. It's one where you're kind of rushed through because there's quite a lot to see. It's really quite long, in fairness, even if you're not going around in circles at the end for quite a long period of time. But the idea of it is that you're obviously going through an experiment and you're into a game and you need to survive. It's as simple as that. But when you get to the end, they can make you sort of go in circles and make you repeat yourself, and quite frankly make you go bloody crazy. It's the nicest way of putting it. It's not very well detailed, I would argue. There's not a lot of detail to it, and not a lot of theming. And again, where the corridors are quite wide, it's actually quite difficult for some of the actors to hide. Not all, but some of them you'll probably have seen from the camera movement. You kind of know where they're going to be. But it's great. It is a great maze. Survival games. It's quite intense. It's quite in your face. There's a lot of actors in there.